Hello everyone, I am Shweta from 11th A. I am studying Government Model Girls Higher Secondary School. Building blocks of algorithm. The word building blocks mean a basic unit from which something is built up. Algorithm can be constructed from basic building blocks, namely statement, state, control flow, sequence, selection, iteration, function. Statement is a single action in a computer. In a computer, statement might include some of the following action: input data, information given to the program, process data, perform operation on given input, output data, process result. State transition from one process to another process under specified condition within a time is called state. Control flow or flow of control is the order in which individual statement, instruction or function calls of imperative program are executed or evaluated. The control can be executed in three ways: sequence, selection, iteration. Sequence. All the instructions are executed one after another is called sequence execution. Example: add two numbers. Step 1 start. Step 2 get AB. Step 3 calculator C equal to A plus B. Step 4 display C. Step 5 stop. Selection. A selection statement causes the program control to be transferred to a specific part of the program based upon the condition. If the conditional test is true, one part of the program will be executed, otherwise it will execute the other part of the program. Example: write an algorithm to check whether he is eligible to vote. Step 1 start. Step 2 get age. Step 3 if age 18 print eligible to vote. Step 4 else print not eligible to vote. Step 6 stop. Iteration. In some programs, certain set of statements are executed again and again based upon conditional test. Example: executed more than one time. These types of execution is called looping or iteration. Example: write an algorithm to print all natural numbers up to n. Step 1 start. Step 2 initialize I equal to 1. Step 3 get n value. Step 4 if I equal to n to go to step 7, else go to step 5. Step 5 print I value and increment I value by 1. Step 6 go to step 4. Step 7 stop. Function is a subprogram which consists of block of code, set of instructions that performs a particular task. For a complex problem, the problem is being divided into smaller and simpler tasks during algorithm design. Benefits of using function: reduction in line of code reuse, better readability, information hiding, easy to debug and test, improved maintainability. Thank you.